Hello everybody, so this is week 6 of the Monstera update. Please excuse my voice if I sound a little bit weird. I'm not very well, so hopefully it's not too annoying, and so we're going to get straight into it. So as the previous weeks have shown, the ones are growing pretty well. The roots are still going strong, and soon I will have to put these in a different pot due to how quickly the roots are growing, how compact they're going to get pretty quickly. And but now they're doing pretty well, so some are getting more complex root systems here, but the more interesting ones are in this pot where you can see the roots start to branch off here. They're getting more and more like tiny root branching, and you can see it there as well. And again, the roots are going very strong, and hopefully the plants will be fine once they're in soil. And then lastly, our slow pot, still growing well. Not got any tiny roots branching off yet, but that's fine. They'll get there soon enough. And now the interesting part is the pot. So now we're at the interesting part, and this is our new leaf. It is doing beautifully. It's finally come out of its little point here, and we've got a new baby leaf, and I'm so pleased. And it's wonderful. It's so tiny and cute, and I'm very excited for it to come completely uncurl itself and to become a proper leaf like this one. And the other points of interest are getting even more interesting, so I will show you those now. So there is this little one here. It's a little horn, I suppose. There's this one, which is getting pretty big now. There's this tiny little one here. And here you can see quite a number of them. So there's one here, but at a different angle you can't really see it. There's this one, this one, this one, that one. So there are a number of points of new growth. Here is the one that I was just talking about. So there are a number of points where there are going to be new leaves and new stems, and I'm very much looking forward to it because it seems like this plant is going to become very much like bush. So before it develops too much, I will need to transplant it and get a support for it so I don't make the same mistakes as last time. And I'm sure it's going to be a very, very full and beautiful specimen very soon. There's also this one, which was quite similar to one of the previous ones. So it also has a tiny little point coming out of it. So you can see a bit more clearly here where you've got that tiny little point coming out of it there. And yeah, so hopefully the plant becomes a bush very soon, and that's all for today's update. So I will see you again next week, hopefully with some new growth. So bye guys, have a lovely evening.